Hello and welcome to BOZWANG. Today we're introducing the BZW-7001, our fully automatic wire harness shear insertion machine. This machine is designed to handle multiple processing tasks like cutting, stripping, waterproof grommet insertion, crimping, and terminal insertion, all in one system. Powered by a 4-bar servo system, the BZW-7001 comes with a pressure monitoring system, a defective product removal unit, and a terminal pull force detection module. It can also be upgraded with a CCD visual inspection system for even greater precision. The connector housing is fed through a modular system that allows for quick part changeovers, ideal for flexible production lines. The BZW-7001 supports wire sizes from 0.22 to 4 mm square, offers a stripping length from 0.1 to 15.5 mm, and provides a crimping force of 25 kilonewtons. Depending on the wire type and length, it can produce between 650 to 800 pieces per hour.